Hi everybody, welcome to camglish.com. My name is Teacher Angel and let's start our lesson in the Oxford Picture Dictionary. In our last video, we studied terms and words related to our topic, the market. Please review with me. We had the terms frozen foods, the baking products, paper products, the beverages, snack foods, the check stand, cash register, the checker line, bagger, paper bag, and plastic bag. We also had the words potato chips, candy bar, gum, frozen vegetables, ice cream, flour, spices, the cake mix, the sugar, oil, apple juice, instant coffee, soda, bottled water, plastic wrap, and the aluminum foil. Today's topic is about containers and packaged foods. Containers and packaged foods. Like we have here the bottle. This is what we call bottle. Alright. Form of container. Jar. We call this one jar. Alright, this is can. Alright, carton. Okay, a box made of paper. Carton. The container. Small cup container. And we have the box. We also have the bag, package, and of course the six pack. There are 3 or 6 items in one pack. Okay, 6 pack. Okay. Next we have loaf for the bread. Loaf. We also have roll, tissue roll of tissue, right? We also have tube for any form of ointment, okay? And it is also used for toothpaste. Again, tube. Okay, so practice these words, alright? Listen carefully, students. Some foods can be counted, like 1 apple, 2 apples, right? But there are some foods that cannot be counted, like liquids, grains, spices, or dairy foods. For these, we should count containers, right? We should count them on their containers. Okay, we should count the containers itself. Like 1 box of rice, 2 boxes of rice, alright? Okay, 3 jars of jam. So, those are the things we need to practice, okay? So, we will practice these items. Alright, are you ready? How to count number 13, the item here. It's a bottle of soda. Okay? 14 is a jar of jam. A jar. We only have 1. A jar of jam. Right? 15, a can of soup. Right? Okay. This, number 16, we have a carton of eggs. or a tray of eggs, right? So that's how you count the eggs, alright? How would you count the dairy cheese or the cottage cheese? Of course, you should say a container of cottage cheese. A container of cottage cheese, right? In number 18, we have a box of cereal. Box of cereal, right? Of course, you can count the cereal. So you will count them, okay, just by looking at the box. Okay, you can count them through their container or box. A box of cereal. Very good. Can you count the flour? Of course you can't. So you should use a bag of flour. A bag of flour. Or a plastic of flour. Okay? Next we have a package of cookies. A package of cookies. Again, a package of cookies. Very good. Next, a 6-pack of soda. A 6-pack of soda. Okay? 6 pieces of soda in one pack. In one package, right? A 6-pack of soda. Very good. And number 22, we have a loaf of bread. A loaf of bread. Okay? You can also count the slice of bread. Okay? The slices of bread, but if you will count it in whole, you should say a loaf of bread. You should say a loaf of bread. Alright? Next, we have a roll of paper towels. A roll of paper towels. You can also count the tissue. A roll of tissue. A roll of tissue paper. Right? Alright, that's how you say it. Next we have here the toothpaste. A tube of toothpaste. A tube of toothpaste. Very good. It's a tube of toothpaste, right? Okay, so these are the terms and things you need to practice, especially how to count food, alright? Or how to count items. Okay, so thank you for joining our class. Thank you so much, students. See you in our next video. Teacher Angel needs to say goodbye now. Bye.